Hi, my name is Lacey. Welcome to my channel. I'm a no-niche artist using weekly themes to declutter my supplies, and it is Beeswax week. This is a really simple tutorial for beeswax wraps. I am using minimal ingredients. It's just beeswax with a little bit of coconut oil because I'm trying to use what I have and not buy more to finish projects. I've melted the beeswax pellets in a crock pot that I only use for craft purposes. You do need to use a natural bristle brush, otherwise it will melt. You can also use 2 sheets of parchment and an iron to melt the wax. You can stack them and put them in the oven on a low temperature. I'm just using a heat tool to help redistribute the wax because sometimes you're missing a few spots or there's too much in a certain area. So I'm just trying to even it out. It is a very messy process. Do not skimp on preparing the surfaces beforehand. So laying down parchment paper, foil, protect whatever surface you're working on because otherwise it will be covered in wax. Most people recommend hanging your beeswax wraps to dry. I do think they have a strange feel to the touch at first, and the more you use them, the better that is. My research says these can last up to a year. You use cold water and dish soap to clean, and if they start to need a refresh, then you just put them in the oven, melt them back down, and they'll be good as new. Thanks for watching.